Hey guys, it's me, Anne, and this is Beauty with Me. Happy holidays! It is December, which means that we are knee-deep in the holiday season, and ABC is gonna start playing Harry Potter reruns, the best time of year. I've been collecting a lot of gift guides over the past few weeks. I've been trying them all, and I've come up with a comprehensive list of things that I wanted to recommend to you guys. I decided to break them all up into sections divided by budget. So the first section is under $25, the second is under $50, and the third is under $150. Before we get started though, please make sure you guys are subscribed down below. Beauty with Me comes out every Monday at 11 a.m. Please join the family. And also please add me on Instagram at mean.chan so we can talk about beauty stuff there. So let's start with the under 25 portion, and the first product that I want to show you is very exciting. This is the C'est Moi Visual Artist Makeup Crayon set. This one is $25.49, which I know is 49 cents over budget, but it is a really good set and I wanted to show it to you anyway. So I discovered this brand, I want to say 6 months ago, and I was really surprised that each of these crayons cost under $10 and they have a lot of really fun shades. These are just like a sampler set of all the colors, but they have like lavenders, pinks, and everything like that. This is a really good set for anyone who wants to dabble in color, but maybe wants something easy to use. So it's a jumbo crayon. You can just sharpen them when you need. You can do all over the lid work with it. You can just line your eyes with it. They last a pretty long time. The shade range is really good. So next up is hair, and this is the Ouai 3-way kit. It costs $25 and it comes with 3 kind of smaller versions of their wave spray, their volume spray, and their dry texture foam. I have had the same wave spray for a year and I'm only just now getting to the end of it. So this stuff is really good. The volume spray you would put into wet hair and it would just give you a little more volume once it's dried. The dry texture foam is really great to put in dry hair when you want to just zhuzh it up. So it comes with a few little hairpins too that you can help section your hair when you're styling it. So very good. I'm a big fan of Ouai, and this is a really good starter kit for anyone who wants to be introduced to the brand. The final product in the under 25 section is this little kit from NARS, $22. It's called the Wanted Power Pack Lip Kit. Hands down, my favorite liquid lipstick that I've tried in the past year or so is probably the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. These are little mini versions of them. There is the nude set, which comes with 2 nude lipsticks. And then there's also the red version, which comes with 2 shades of red that honestly are pretty similar. There's a pink toned red and then a more orange toned red, but if you're a big red lipstick wearer, you'll probably really love it. This lipstick formula is so good. It has a really nice, like precise doe foot applicator. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel drying. It's just very, very good. So now we're moving on to the under $50 section. And the first thing I have is this kit from Milk. Now this is called Milk Meet the Fam. I am a really big fan of Milk in general. As a brand, I've used them a ton of times on this channel before. This has a bunch of different little mini versions of their popular stick products. So there's the cooling water, which is like a roll-on serum toner. There's a watermelon serum, and then we're getting to the good stuff, the makeup. Milk makes really good stick bronzers, blushes, highlighters. They're really big. They're like deodorant size. These are the cutest little sample sizes. I almost feel like I prefer them to the large size because again, they're so great for travel, and this is still a lot of product. Like your cheekbones are so tiny. It's gonna take you months, years to finish this. It comes with their lit highlighter, which is a beautiful like little champagne-y gold. Their holographic stick highlighter in Supernova, which is their like purpley iridescent highlighter. Their blush, which I love. It's the Lip and Cheek blush in Work with an E. And then finally, this is their blur stick, which is a silicone-free blurring primer. I know they're small, but I'm telling you that stuff is gonna last you a very long time, and it comes in at $39, which I think is a really good price to try a ton of their items and find out what you really like before you go in and buy the full sizes. Next up on the makeup front is this kit from Stila. It's the Aura Alight Glitter and Glow Highlighter and Liquid Eyeshadow Set. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of their like glitter and glow shadows, which are some of my favorite liquid glitter formulations on the market. They last a long time, they're super glittery, and they dry down matte, so they're not gonna be sliding all over your lid, they're not gonna like get underneath your eye. They're really quality shadows, and they're pretty pigmented too. And this one has a good array of different colors. It has like a silver, some coppery tones, a really beautiful purple, like a nice white diamond kind of color. It retails for $45, which an individual like Stila, like a full size of them, is gonna run you like $24, and you're getting 6 of them in here. And I think it's gonna take you a long time to get through one of these. I mean, they're not that small, look. My eye for scale. And finally, in the under 50 section, I have something that I'm very excited about. Look at this! It is so cute. This is the Glow Recipe gift set. It comes in this adorable pink acrylic bag that I am definitely going to wear. So I'll take some pictures of me wearing this bag as a normal bag, and I'll slap them up here so you can see how I styled it. But it is the cutest little thing. It has all of their watermelon products in it. This is their watermelon sleeping mask, which is an amazing mask. It smells so good. It smells like watermelon. And it has a lot of like gentle acids in it to help exfoliate the face, but it's also still very hydrating, so it's not gonna leave your face red, it's not gonna leave your face irritated. It's a really luxurious mask. And this is a pretty big size of it. This, on your left, on my right here, wait a second. On the other side, there's the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer, which is a very lightweight, almost serum-like moisturizer. For my skin, or anyone who would probably have like combination dry skin, it's probably not gonna be enough to be your sole moisturizer. I use it more as like a hydrating serum before like a thicker moisturizer or an oil. Really nice as well. And then finally there is the Jelly Sheet Mask, which is a hydrating and soothing mask. The jelly texture is really nice, calming on the skin. My producer did also point out that it kind of looks like a Brat style bag, or just generally any Polly Pocket. It's just really, really cute. And all of this is $40, which I think is just like, you get a bag. So moving right along to under $150. Now this is the bigger spending section, obviously, like for when you want to treat yourself / when you want to give a gift to someone that you really, really like. This first item is the Drunk Elephant The Littles set, another skincare find. I love Drunk Elephant. It's one of my favorite skincare lines, and they always come out with a kit during the holiday season. That's a really good way to try out some of their products before you buy the full size. The night serum, this fella right here, is my favorite product from the line. It's a gentle night serum that has AHAs, BHAs, like just gentle acids in it. It really helps in terms of brightening the skin. It helps with acne. It's just a great serum, but it costs $90. And that is a lot for one serum, especially if you don't know that you like it. So you can spend the same amount of money and you get a ton of stuff. You get the hydration serum, sunscreen, eye cream, you get a brightening vitamin C serum, a moisturizer, and an oil. All that, one kit, not bad. So I also wanted to include some tools in this gift guide. This is the Sigma Make Me Classy set. It comes in a cool little travel size case, and there are a ton of brushes in here that you can pretty much do your entire face with it. So if you're gonna give this to someone, or if you're asking someone to give this to you, you pretty much have your entire face full of brushes in here. It's $125, which I know is a hit, but the Sigma brushes last a really long time. They wash really well, they don't shed. I don't know, are brushes boring? I don't think so. When I get a new brush, I'm like so excited to use it. Having good tools makes such a difference in your makeup application, and having a good set of like nice eye brushes, like nice face brushes, can make putting on your makeup so much more fun too. Last but not least, we have this set from Nest. It's the Birchwood Pine Candle and Diffuser set, and this is my favorite holiday scent ever, because it reminds me of when I was an intern here at Refinery like 3 years ago. My editor, who I admire and love, hi Megan, she got this candle and told me that it was her favorite scent, and me, being the copycat that I am, adopted it and made it my favorite scent. It's a really nice warm pine, like obviously it's a birchy pine scent, but it has a very warm, like smoky feel to it too. The whole set retails for $74 and you get a full-size candle and a full-size diffuser. The candle retails for $42 and the diffuser retails for $48, so you are saving some money there. It's a great gift for like family members. It's a great gift for me if you guys want to buy me more. Like, opening the box, I was just transported to when the first time that I went to her apartment to babysit her cat, and I was like, your apartment smells so good. You're such an adult. You have a real couch. It was amazing. I know that not everyone is willing to spend $74 on products that are going to fragrance your home, but I think it's really nice to like walk into a home and it smells really nice and it really puts you in the mood. So even if you don't want to spend all that money on a candle, which I don't blame you, I hope there's other stuff in this gift guide that you do think is worth trying out. So that is the final product in the gift guide. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below if there are any other gift sets that you guys think I should try. And I will see you guys next week. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you want to see next on Beauty With Me in the comments down below, and click here to subscribe to Refinery29 and click here to watch another video. See you next time. Bye.